Unboxing of shoes we bought from Hong Kong. We have a lot of shoes here. Some of these are for sale, so check it out. Okay, so first up we have size 9 women. Size 9 women for On. This is I don't know what model this is, whatever, so On. And then over here we have Magic Speed 4 plated turbo. This is not for sale. This is in size 10. This is mine. This one also is not for sale. This is hers. And then this one is Hoka lifestyle shoes, I think. I don't even know the model, but yeah, not for sale. And then this is Gel Nimbus 27 in size 9.5 wide. This might be for sale, so if you need the Gel Nimbus 9.5 wide, this might be for sale. Let's put this aside. Okay, so this is the New Balance More V5 version 5. So this is also in size 9.5, same as this one. They're both similar shoes, recovery slow shoes. It might also be for sale, so check it out. This is nice, very comfortable for daily use also, both of these. Take note, I'm just a beginner, so everything I know is from research. So this is also a Gel Nimbus 27 women in size 9 US for women. Okay, so On. Now this is going to be my new running shoes, the Nova Blast 5. It's gonna be a daily trainer. I'm going to alternate this with this one, so daily trainer, fast paced, and maybe for my beginner pace, race day shoes. So Nova Blast, I actually bought this because I really like the colorway and the design. So I think that's all we have right now. Question is, where's the right pair for this? Oh, here, it's here. Okay, so again, let's run everything down. Let's arrange them. Nova Blast, Magic Speed 4. Magic Speed 4. Okay. Nova Blast, Magic Speed 4. New Balance More V5. And then we have the Gel Nimbus 27 9.5 wide, very thick sole. This one also. And then the Hoka women, this is not for sale. I'm gonna put this here. And then we have the Gel Nimbus 27 size 9 US women. This might be for sale. And the On walking shoes. So model ani? Forgot the model. So it's not for sale anyway. So we have all of these right now.
Cloud Walk 6. New
Cloud
6.
Cloud 6.
Bago na siya.
Okay. So how about this? Unsa ning Hoka?
Mga balo.
This is Bondi B3.
Bago ni release.
This is a new release from On. If you got any questions, I might be able to answer them. Anyway, this one is a faster feeling shoe than this one. This one feels very soft, but if you use this for recovery runs or even a lifestyle shoe, this would work same as this one. That's how I feel as a newbie. So this one feels stiff and springy, so it might be a good fast-paced and race day shoe for somebody like me who's a beginner. So this one is the two of these are the same, but this is for women's, this is for men's, and this is in a wide fit. Okay, this one is probably just for lifestyle. The two of these for lifestyle shoe, two of these, and this one can also be for lifestyle. And then okay, so this one lifestyle, daily trainers, and fast-paced shoes. Okay, yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them on the comments and I will try to answer them the best that I can. Also, the only experience I have right now for running shoes are my Anta running shoes, and I forgot what model they are. I will post them in the comments section. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.